Hi guys, my name is Dion, Crazy Coupon Cravers. Thank you for turning back to my show and YouTube channel, and I very much appreciate it. And for the new subscribers, I very much welcome you guys. And if you're just watching it for the first time, I welcome you guys. Say hi down below if you like to, and I'll say hi back. And just thank you for all my old subscribers. I couldn't do the station without you guys. Thank you for tuning in. Last night, we were supposed to, I live in Missouri, and I live down really curvy, bad roads. And last night it started, they said we were supposed to get 5 to 7 inches, and I think we did get it. My work called, and I work about a half hour. They said, don't come in. So somebody else is working for me. They thought that it would probably be really slow. So I'm very grateful for that because, like I said, it's really bad out there. We live down hills and curves, and my son did too. So it's just like he works at a resort, and they were going to be slow. They in the past had him work, but they said it was so slow that they didn't even need him. So that he could take a personal day. So I thought that was good. So, but we ended up going to Walgreens again. I ended up buying 3 of these. The shelf said I was trying to get over $25. The shelf said these were like $8.39, but I had her scan them and they were $8.99. So I was glad, and they had exactly 3. So I paid $26.97 out of pocket. It had a 6 off of 3. You could buy. I almost bought the back rub too. Because I've been having back problems, and I went to the doctor yesterday and they gave me Flexeril and muscle relaxers to help my spasms and stuff, but this will help too. But there was a $6 digital. So, and then what is great, I'll tell you at the end, I ended up buying 2 Scots. I got the toilet paper. They were $5. It's buy one get one half price. So, and then I bought the paper towels. So I ended up paying $2.50 for these. So $7.50 for both. So I think that was a good deal. I ended up having a 10 off of 50 or 10 off of 45. So I was trying to get that. I ended up, you can mix and match. You can get, last time I got the booster, the Boots Sense boosters. But these are 4 for $10. There's a $2 digital. My $2 digital didn't come off, but I called customer service, and they paid me for that. And then I also got the Colgate. These are 2 for $8. There's a $4 digital, so you pay $4 out of pocket, but then you get a $3 register reward back, so it makes it 3 for both, or $1 for both, or 50 cents a piece. So that is a good deal. A lot of times we get Colgate for free, but lately it's been 50 cents, but I'll take it. So, that was my haul. It wasn't very busy. I was trying to get home, so because I knew that snowstorm might come in. But I ended up doing the wellness, and I ended up, okay, I got 10 off of, for my 45, so I got $10 back for that. I got $2 or $3 for the Colgate, and I ended up, the $10 didn't give me back for the booster. So she ended up giving me $10 for the booster, and then she gave me $2 for buying the All-in Hammer. So that was good, but I did have a lot out of pocket. It was $46.97 out of pocket, but I ended up getting the $10 booster, $2, and for my other coupon did not come off. So I got a 6 and a 4 that came off, and then I ended up submitting it to Wellness Visa for spending $25. So I'll get $10 back from that. So altogether, and then I ended up submitting $3 to my points and $3 to checkout 51. So that was a great deal for these. So for these, with everything coming off, I ended up 20, probably getting them for like $1 a piece. So that is a really fantastic stock up deal. because I go through a lot of Advil, ibuprofen, and all that. But my haul ended up being that I paid $11, almost $12 for everything plus tax. So I think that is a fantastic stocked up deal for 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 items. So it was like $1 a piece plus tax. So if I can do it, guys, you guys can do it too. Here's my receipt. Here's where I got the Scots, the Armor Hammer, and then the Colgate. And then here is like the Advil. Like I said, I paid $26.97 for that. And then my coupon's coming off. So I think that is a very, very good haul. So I'm very proud of it. Like I said, I had a lot out of pocket, but I got a lot of it back. And then I ended up getting $6 extra in cash back. So, but thank you for tuning in, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you give it a big thumbs up. And if you're new to my station, I welcome you guys, and I hope you subscribe. God bless you, and be safe out there, and Happy New Year, guys. Because like I said, cherish you guys, the ones that you love, and be safe out there. God bless you. Bye. Oh.